Hi guys, welcome to A Cumbrian Lad Outdoors and welcome to today's video. Now today I'm going to be doing something slightly different. I'm going to be camping on the outskirts of the city of Carlisle. Bewley brothers are already here, they're more or less set up camp and I'm just heading down to meet them. They're walking up to meet me. So yeah, we're literally just on the outskirts of the city of Carlisle. And it just goes to show you, if you don't have the ability to get out into the fells or travel too far, you know, you can do this stuff on your doorstep. And we're hopefully going to find a lovely area on the river, set up the hammocks. It's beautiful, beautiful spring day here in Cumbria. It's about 15, 16 Celsius. So we're just going to set up our hammocks and tarps by the river and smash a few tinnies, why not? And have some good food as well. So just before I set off along the river, I'm just going to show you just how close we are to the city. Yeah, we're just beside the river Caldew. Camped alongside this river a few places now, but if you look just in the distance there, you can see there is a factory. And if I point you just past this gate here, you can see Dixon's chimney just sticking up. So we are literally a stone's throw away from Carlisle. Yeah, you can still just and so see Carlisle there. Like I say, we're just along the river. We've got a wee stile just to jump over. Model material, I tell you, model material. And then it looks like we've got a wee bit of a bridge to get under. So yeah, with the weather we've had recently, quite a few trees down. We're just by this wee beck. A little bit of a tunnel. Nice and old school. So already just a couple of minutes walk away from where I introduced the video, and it feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. Absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the camp, getting set up by the river and cracking a few beers. Got a lovely old school bridge here. It's a train bridge, so we might hear the train going past later. And as you can see, we're getting to a wider part of the Caldew now, so I believe we're not too far away. Yeah, we're already at camp. About a 10-minute walk, like I say, right on the outskirts of Carlisle. You can see Daz and Andy are already set up, and this is a floodplain. So we're going to be camping on an island tonight. And this will be a test of my balance, because we've got a little bridge to cross and there's only a bit of string to hold on till. So yeah, next time you see me I might be wet. Well, much to everyone's disappointment, I didn't kelp in. So yeah, I'm just going to go and dump my rucksack and then we'll have a look around the place. Right guys, that's me all set up. Really looking forward to a night in the hammock tonight. It's been over 2 months since I've been in the hammock. So yeah, really looking forward to that and just sitting here with the Bewley brothers and having a few beers. But yeah, all set up, so let's have a look around. Just the usual DD 4x4, although I have put it in fully open front position, just because it was easy to tie on against the trees rather than pegging into the ground. Snug pack tropical hammock with the cocoon. OEX Leviathan EV900 sleeping bag. It's going to be nice and cosy in there tonight. And of course, Tactical Duck is with us for the evening. If you know, you know. So Daz and Andy are in their usual DD setups. Again, they're both open fronted. Daz has got his new DD 4x4 tarp in multicam. Yes, and I must admit, I really do like the look of that. Let's just have a wee look. It's tidy, Paul. Tidy that. Oh, would you look? It's another Tactical Duck. What do we say, boys?
If you know, you know.
I've got a fire pit here. Now, for those enthusiasts of watching us Raji Outdoors people on YouTube, you might recognise this. It is a haunt of another YouTuber. I'm not going to mention his name, but if you think you know, mention it in the comments. There's camp. You can see the wee bridge that we crossed just over there. So we are literally right on the river. As I've mentioned before, it is a floodplain, so we have got plenty of deadfall and lying debris. Daz and Andy have already made a start on collecting some firewood for this evening. And just out the back of camp, you can see the river there. And like I say, it is a floodplain. There's quite clear signs that water's been over here. You can see the grass is flattened in one direction. And there's quite a lot of scrub and wood and stuff that's fallen, been washed down. A few dead trees here. You can hear the train in the background. That's how close we are to the city. So yeah, we're not going to have a shortage of wood for tonight. We've got any god's amount. And that is the back of my tarp. And literally within a few steps, right on the river. We have got a few families enjoying the day out. But I imagine it'll quieten off later. Daz and Andy have been here before and they said it does. And a couple of wee stools here to sit on. Apparently this is the stargazing point. So Daz has just got a few beers in the river there, keeping cool. We're all set up, we've had a look around the place. So I'm just going to go and chill with the boys and have a beer. And probably get some food on them because I'm getting quite hungry.
At the camper.
As you can see, we are planning on having a fire tonight. Normally, I wouldn't advocate having a fire in the Lake District. However, this is on a floodplain. We're on stones, as you can see. And it will be left in the same state as we found it. As I've already mentioned, it is another YouTuber's camp. So we will be leaving it as we found it. So yeah, we are looking forward very much to having a fire tonight.
You gonna do some graft or what?
Some people pay for that kind of service, you know.
I charge.
Cheap at half the price. Right guys, we've collected some firewood, probably more than enough than we need for tonight. So time for a well-earned beer. So cheers everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Chin chin boys.
Cheers. Blinking.
Pinkies up. And this is what it's all about. Love this. Love it.
Cracking buddy, yeah?
Yes. Aye.
Awesome.
Yes, I. Adamant Wild, wish you were here, mate. You'd love this.
I definitely would.
Looking forward very much to taking Adam in the Wild for his first hammock camp. He's got his cellar hammock and that. I was cracking with him on the last camp. So yeah, I'm very much looking forward to taking you on a camp in your hammock, mate. So, cheers. Right, so me and the boys have just been sat by the river, just having a few beers and chilling out. It's nice to see a bit of sun, it really is. You can really feel the warmth. But it is starting to go down now, and it is cooling down slightly. So, yeah, we've had a bit of fun with the slingshot. I might put a few pictures of that in later, maybe. But yeah, we've got the fire going now, as it's cooling down, so yeah, let's have a look at the fire. We've got plenty of firewood prepped. Daz is just firing a bit on the fire. A lovely windbreak already in position. The heat off it already is phenomenal. And for some reason, food always tastes better cooked on an open fire. So yeah, we're in for a proper treat tonight. As you can see, the fire is going really well and it is food time. Daz and Andy, you've got some burgers on the go, just over the fire on a wee trivet. And I've got some sausages just on me Lixarda meth burner stove there, because to get a head start, because I'm quite hungry. So yeah, we're looking forward to some food, boys, eh? Yes, I. So we're going to have a sausage butty. Ho, ho, ho.
Download interface.
Lovely. Perfect.
That sun is just disappearing now.
The sun's going down now.
It's got to get cold pretty quick.
It is starting to cool down, but obviously the heat off the fire is keeping us warm, but we have packed for a cold night.
Sunglasses are getting packed away.
Oh man, these butties are good.
5 to 6.
5 to 6, wow.
It's tea time for me.
That time's gone quick, man. Just goes to show you when you're at camp,
When you're enjoying yourself.
all the life's problems just goes away.
Absolutely.
Time means nothing, like.
That's why we do it.
All right.
Getting there. A little bit more back onto the other side, and I think we're good.
Oh. Butty number 2, get in my belly. It's perfect, this lad. Perfect.
Good,
Yeah. Love it.
Some ketchup if I had any more, but I only got
No, I'm all right, lad. I'm all right. Gotta get that shot for the gram. Right, so it's time for the next beer. Got a Vocation Special Edition. Toucan Tropic DDH IPA. Fruity, tropical and hoppy. And it comes in at 6.7%. So, let's crack this bad boy.
Is it any good? Is it any good? What's it like? What's it like?
It's all right, eh? It's all right. Smooth. It's almost virgin on a milkshake. Cheers, guys. Oh.
Whoa. Line dancing. Doing an Irish jig.
Right, we'll away and enjoy some more beers and we'll catch you guys soon. Well, good morning everyone. What a good night's sleep I had. I woke up about 3:30 maybe and then slept right through till 6. Yeah, what an enjoyable camp. I always have a good laugh with the Beauty Brothers. We just sat and chatted rubbish, and the YouTuber that usually camps here also popped along with his dog to say hello. So we didn't really get much filming done last night, but safe to say we had a good laugh. Yeah, I really needed a night in a hammock. Really did. I thoroughly enjoyed that. So yeah, time to get myself away home. I think I'm all packed up. Daz and Andy are still lying in the hammocks, so yeah, it's home time. So thank you very much for clicking on the video. I don't think it's going to be a very big one, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. So until next time, stay safe. Much love from a Cumbrian lad.